What is this virus that keeps us home and our parents away? Little Kabir asked his elder sister as she finished her cooking for the day. It's a novel coronavirus, she replied, better known as COVID-19. It can spread through the air and even through touch, and that's why you must keep your face and hands clean. But what about Mom and Dad? When will I see them again? The virus has made many people ill. Our parents being doctors are treating them. When will the virus go away? I want to go outside and play. I know you do, but you must know, the best we can do is be at home and stay. That way, none of us will catch the virus. The number of patients will die down. There'll soon be no new cases, and Dad and Mum can return to town. But it's so boring to be at home. There's nothing here to do. School was fun. I miss my friends, but now I'm stuck with you. Well, there's no cure for the virus yet, so tough luck. We have to be at home. But do I have some good news? I can cure your boredom blues. And so the elder sister kept little Kabir delighted by telling him stories through rhymes. His vivid imagination took him to distant places in these unusual locked-down times. That brings us to the end of another bedtime rhyme. Off you go now into a land of beautiful dreams. This is MonMon wishing you all good night.